don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Scan on QR code there, winner 25 rand. Welcome to Amavenzo to TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Mackenzie 0. I'm joined by Ubaba, Umnigen, Wagamtungu.
Mfowethu.
Yebo
I-Chiefs ingehla iye number 3 noma iye number 5.
Short, Emma.
As long as my 350 rand grant is not affected, I don't care.
You don't care?
Yeah.
You don't care?
Yes, as long as I get my 350, it's fine for me.
Yeah.
No, mfowethu, ngithi ake singene emidlalweni ngqo.
Short, Emma.
Uyabona lo mfana uDino van Rooyen. Awumkhiphile nje ucoach ngobethanda kodwa ubesefuna ukudlala ngenye indlela kodwa ubemhle kakhulu.
Yes.
Kodwa into yakade udlale kahle iposition ubeyigcina. Kodwa khona ubesegcile kakhulu ekutheni ibhola mayilibamba ulibuyisele emumva, mayilibamba ulibuyisele emumva. Ephume ngapha umreme noma umfukeng bethi ngithola ukuthi manje akababona hayi ukuthi akabaphaseli, akababoni ngoba vele akaqalazi udlala engathi omunye umdlalo engeke ngimusho ekufanele ukuthi ubone phela surroundings but scan your surroundings ngokwebhola lamanje uyabona.
Yes, Samana.
Undaba very beautiful football. Inzima kakhulu Ndaba.
Yes, Samana.
I-Pirates na ngishemen la iduze kwami ayazi lento engizoyikhuluma.
Short, Samana.
I-Pirates i-team spiritual. Abadlali bayadlala kuhamba iminyaka ubone lo yamdlalo wombona kudala esebuyile futhi esekhona. Ngombone kudala yabona mangibona uNdaba ngibona uMajens Edward Mtale eDamani wako Pretoria ngibona Damani Damani uNdaba ngibona uInnocent Chikoya uyabona inkunzi malanga yayithi mayifike khona iphakamisa ikhanda icross kuphela uNdaba into ekufuneka ayilungise ukuthi i-final ball ku-final 30 yabona i-final ball yakhe inokumshaya alidlale kahle yabona licela lihlaba ama-tackle akhe 100% kodwa i-final ball inokumshaya fanele ezama ukuthi ethu ukupractice lapho ungakhohlwa ukuthi se-arena ingakho amanothi angiwabhala ngephepheni namhlanje hambe ngayothenga ifone entsha i-arena manje uyabona
nangesuti baba wami hayi madoda madoda
No, it's a touch of black. Orlando Pirates colors. And then Vodacom, Suzuki, and Amstel and Orlando Pirates la kulo tie. Yabona kuhlangane konke. Okay. Uma ngabe usuku arena ke ubhala kanje. I-Pirates idlala ngama legend. Iyona kuphela i-team edlala ngama legend amaningi kangaka. Sikhuluma ngabadlali abawine 4 plus cups. Labo Relebogile Mfukeng. Sipho Chain. Makhehleni Makhawula. Mbatha, Sibisi, Hoto, Tito. Ama legend lawo. Siwafaka egroundini amanye sishiye ethu ebhenjini bese siyayifaka. Umbatha noMakhawula igembe beyicontrola kamnandi kakhulu uze wathi mayise substitute ucoach esathi hayi kodwa engaba sikho isidingo sokuthi efake uNemthanjela yabona engabe uyayiyeka nje igame idlala wafika uNemthanjela wenza inkinga ngathi lo coach lona ufundile wenza inkinga uNemthanjela wadlala kahle kakhulu leyo nto leyo ifuna ukuthi siyincome bese sikhulume ngelokhuzana ngesponsorship.
Yes, Samana.
Ila engena khona ubaba uJwaha.
Yes.
Abantu bathi iPirates yini manje ibe nama sponsors angaka ekubeni ngesikhathi uPirates ubaba uKhoze Tata wakwahamba iminyaka engenawo ama sponsors. Indaba yakho ni kanje. iPirates yayingafuni ukushintsha igama. Yakhumbula kuthiwa Ellerins Sundowns. Ikhampani le Ellerins siyawa nokuyi Sundowns isekhona.
Yes.
Double Action Sundowns ikhona ikhampani okuthiwa i-Double Action angazi yayenzani iwisa Kaizer Chiefs mase bephuma sekufuneka ushintshe igama manje uthola isponsorship kupapa wawa Kaizer Chiefs uyabona ilento lena eyayenza ukuthi iPirates ingabi nabo abaxhasi wayengafuni leyo nto leyo uIvan Khoza ngoba uDr Khoza nakuse ngimnciphisa ngiyaxolisa awumkhathini baba ngiyaxolisa uDr Khoza wayengayifuni lento ukuthi iPirates ishintshe igama njengalawa amanye amateam ingakho iPirates yahlala yona iOrlando Pirates kuze kwaqhamuka uAlpha Cement ngo94 wathi uAlpha Cement as long as we are on your t-shirt we are fine as long as when Orlando Pirates appear on a newspaper there is Alpha Cement on the front of the t-shirt we are fine that's why Orlando Pirates accepted Alpha Cement to sponsor Orlando Pirates and we appreciate that until today and now sponsors are flocking in. Furthermore, Orlando Pirates is continuing to make history. We are the only team that owns a stake in a stadium. We own Ellis Park because of Ivan Khoza and the other guys. We own Ellis Park. We've got a percentage there that we own with another company that's owning more than 50%. So we are there at Ellis Park. Here, its history is made again because now Orlando Pirates, it doesn't own Orlando Stadium, but they came with naming rights. It's something new, and our enemies are confused. Look on my left. Look what's happening on my left. The Mbogazi was sold overseas and he came back in the form of Madondo. Look at him. He is confused. He doesn't understand what is really happening here. Orlando Pirates doesn't own this stadium, but they managed to work with their stadium and own and then change the name of the stadium and call it an arena. And the thing is, Dr. Ivan Khoza and his team, Omcebo Dlamini or Thandi Mrafe, are so intelligent that even themselves, if you can ask them, they are also confused how they managed to strike this deal. So I can't tell you how we strike it because now we are going to name FNB something else. So I won't tell you. Yeah, also we are one. Manje. Orlando Pirates. Look at the football that you saw here. It's an arena. And the other players, they are not players. They are artists. They are not playing here. They are performing in an arena. So we appreciate that very much. Thank you, Kaizer Chiefs. Thank you, Sundowns, for coming. Thank you, Magesi, for coming. So we'll continue beating you. We'll continue beating you. By beating these opponents, we are beating you. Now they are saying Magesi is useless. It's fine. Magesi is useless. But what's important, they came here because we wanted 3 points. Orlando Pirates is the only team to play all the games for 2 seasons. Even the previous PSL CEO, KGLCM, came and thanked Orlando Pirates and say, well done, you played all the games, you respect the league. We want to do the same this year. Thank you, I'm a friend to TV. I love you guys, but I'm not sure.